The Patagon were mythical native people that in the 1500s were described in the tales of explorer Ferdinand Magellan as giants reaching heights of up to 4 meters. He may have spiced things up after enjoying a little bit too much of the local Patagonia punch. Collect a wine glass. Into this, add equal measures of maple syrup and fresh lime juice. Strawberry puree brings bright, fruity sweetness. Ancho Reyes is an authentic chili liqueur from Mexico that brings rich and complex warmth, sweet spice, and a pleasant smoke heat of the ancho chili. These flavors are all rounded off by the berry-laden character of Chilean Pinot Noir. Fill with cubed ice. Stir for 10 seconds. Dip taste. Top with further ice if required. Gently tap the rosemary sprig into the palm of your hand and position into the top of the drink. Present and serve.